Hello friends, on this video how you can change wallpaper from Infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, here you have to move on setting. Here's the setting, so just tap on setting. After you click on setting friends, you have to scroll on the down. When you scroll down here, you are going to find this option of the personalization. So friends, you have to click on personalization. When you click on it, from here you are going to find here's the online wallpaper and here's the static wallpaper. When you tap on static wallpaper, this wallpaper is the downloaded wallpaper also you are going to find on it. But friends, if you want to apply online wallpaper, then you have to connect your network. Okay, you should connect your network. And if you don't know how to apply the wallpaper, then here I'm going to show. First of all, just tap on any wallpaper that you want to apply. Then here's the apply icon. Click on apply. After that, from here you can select home screen, lock screen, and for the board, for where you want to set, from here you can select any of them. Okay. Then after that, your this wallpaper will be set as your home screen or lock screen wallpaper. I just click on the back button. Again, I just click on the back button. Then after that, here you are going to find the online wallpaper. Tap on online wallpaper. From here you can set your online wallpaper. If you are offline, then you are not going to find these icons. Okay, the online wallpaper. And again, I just click on the back button friends, here. Then after that, if you want to set from gallery to wallpaper, then you can select the gallery. Okay, suppose I just tap on gallery, and after that, from here you can set your wallpaper. Okay friends, so friends, this is how you can apply wallpaper on your any friend smartphone. And friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.